On the morning of May 4, 2024, a shooting occurred at a gas station in the Gulf Freeway area, Houston, Texas, injuring a police officer from the Houston Police Department, HPD.
What's up, brother? Hey, how you doing? You park?
When the police approached, the man in the car seemed unfazed. The officer spoke up. "I'm asking you, do you have any weapons in the vehicle?" The man didn't answer, but casually reached under the seat, pulling out something, causing everything to change in an instant.
What? I'm gonna go to the hotel. Oh, where's we're at? Yeah. Well, I was gonna take some of my stuff. Okay. You got any weapons in here, brother? Yes. Okay. Is that an ankle monitor? Yes, sir. GPS, all that. What are you doing on your phone? I was gonna show you some pictures. Of what? The vehicle when I first got it. Oh, don't worry about it, man. Let's get that ID.
I can't see what you reach for, man.
Oh. No, yeah.
Okay.
Here, why don't you give me that? Why don't we do this? Put your hands.
Are you requesting me?
I'm telling you to take off your seatbelt and step out. Why don't we do this? Put your hands. All right.
I've been hit!
Partner, are you good?
I've been hit!
God damn it.
I've been hit!
Where are you been? He's
Femur!
down. He's down.
Femur!
Hey, hey!
Femur!
Finally, when the officers completely surrounded him, the man was subdued and disarmed. After being apprehended, he was arrested. This tense confrontation was captured from multiple angles by the officers' body cameras. The setting of a chase captured in Osaka is worthy of an action movie. The roar of an engine pierced through the air, followed by the blaring sirens of police echoing through the crowded streets. A motorcycle, driven by a masked man with a girl riding as a passenger, sped away at high speed, defying law enforcement and endangering those around him. The chase began on one of the city's main avenues. The motorcyclist, known for daring stunts, tried to evade the police, weaving through streets and creating dangerous situations. With impressive riding skills, the motorcyclist dodged vehicles and accelerated to the limit, leaving the police behind. The scene was straight out of an action movie, with surveillance cameras capturing every move. As the motorcycle sped through the streets, its speed increased with every moment, weaving through traffic, running red lights, and showing no signs of slowing down. The police officers, despite being extremely tense, tried their best to remain calm, but the situation grew increasingly unpredictable. motorcycle turned into an area with narrow streets, but full of dangers. It was here that the rider felt at ease, like a master of escape. However, the police had carefully prepared, and with a precise coordinated maneuver, they forced the motorcycle into a dead-end alley. The motorcyclist fell, realized he could no longer escape, and was captured by the police. On September 8, 2024, everything seemed to freeze in a moment. As the roar of engines, police sirens, and tension exploded across every meter of the road. A high-speed chase between Florida Highway Patrol, FHP officers, and a methamphetamine trafficking suspect turned the entire highway into a battleground between law enforcement and sheer recklessness. After nearly 10 minutes of a breathless chase, the suspect was stopped by a patrol car, executing a PT maneuver from behind. As the officers approached, the suspect continued to resist, refusing to comply.
Stop reaching! Hands up! Put your hands up! Keep your hands up! Hands up! Hands up! Stop! Stop! Stop reaching! Stop reaching! Hey, get out from behind him!
1722, 14, Cornwall, line, over 1542, coming north of
Turn the car off! Turn the car off! Turn the car off! Okay. Yo! Turn the car off! Turn the car off! Okay, now stop moving! Don't do anything, okay? Alright.
Trapped with no way out, he suddenly floored the gas pedal, causing the wheels to spin desperately, but unable to move forward. Realizing the car couldn't go any further, the suspect immediately opened the door, jumped out, and began to flee on foot. Blocked in, he continued to struggle and resist, even attempting to attack the officers. It took 3 police officers and the help of bystanders to subdue him.
Huh? I didn't see a person in there. Huh? All right,